In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings for your PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and Publisher applications. This can be really helpful if you're working in a bilingual setting or need to create documents in a different language. We'll walk through this process using PowerPoint as our main example. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. It's important that you have the application open because we'll be digging into its settings. Once you're in PowerPoint, navigate to your PowerPoint presentation, or if you're starting from scratch, you can open up a new presentation. Either way, the steps will be the same. Now direct your attention to the upper menu. You're looking for the File tab. It's usually located at the top left corner of your window. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down, you'll need to find and click on Options. This will open up a new window that presents various settings for PowerPoint. On the left side of this new window, you'll see a list of categories. You want to look for and select the one that says Language. This is where you'll manage all things related to language settings. In the language settings, you might see some languages already listed, but what we want to do is add a new one. So go ahead and click on Add a Language. A new menu will appear displaying a list of available languages. Scroll through or use the search function to find the language you're looking to add. Once you've found your desired language, select it. This language should now appear in your list. The next step is important because PowerPoint will still prefer to operate in the original language until we change its order. So look for the option that says Move Up and click it. You'll want to repeat clicking until your new language is at the top of this list. This prioritization tells PowerPoint to use this language first. Finally, after making sure your language is correctly set as the primary one, you can click on OK to save these changes. Doing so will apply your new language settings. Congratulations, you've successfully changed the language in PowerPoint. While these instructions were specific to PowerPoint, don't worry. Applying similar steps in Word, Excel, and Publisher should work just as smoothly. Just remember to always confirm your changes before closing the options menu to prevent any disruptions in your workflow. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to write them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your experience with Microsoft Office a bit more seamless and tailored to your needs.